So now let's run this code. Enter the option in between 1 to 6. Here I want to enter 1. Enter the letter which you want to begin the word. I'm entering R. Yeah, you can see it is giving all the words which begin with the R. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel techCodio. My name is Bharat Kumar. In this video, we are going to begin our project number 3, which is word dictionary. So guys, before coming back to this video, I'm requesting you to watch all videos up to here and then come back to the project, because with the help of these concepts, I'm going to build project number 3, right? I'm uploading videos regularly into this playlist. If you miss any concept, please watch it. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me some support. So now let's begin the lecture. So guys, we have completed part 1, part 2 and project number 1 also. And after that, we have completed part 3 and project number 2, time and math challenge. And recently we have completed our part number 4. And now it's our time to build project number 3. So guys, now let's build the project number 3, which is word dictionary. The concepts involved in this project is, firstly, you have to know about the functions, then conditional statements, if, elif and else, and loops, for loop and while loop, dictionary concept, booleans, and finally JSON module and loading the JSON file. This concept I will teach in this video. So guys, firstly we have to import the JSON file into our Jupyter notebook. Here you can see I have this website which contains all the words from A to Z with the meaning to the respective words. So firstly we have to save the file. Just click on the right click button, save as the dictionary. Here you can see I have already saved it, so that's why I'm not saving it, but you have to click on the save button. Now we have to load the JSON file. First import the JSON file equal to, we need to open our dictionary file. Dictionary.json and give here R for the reading mode, R for the reading the file. Now we have to load the file into the JSON dot load file. Yeah, now you can see I got all the words and with the meaning also. You can see here we have completed importing the JSON file. Now we have to create the 5 important functions for the project. The function number 1, which is used to display the words that begin with a specific letter, and the function number 2, find a specific word, it is there in the dictionary or not, and the function 3 for display the meaning of the word, and the function 4 is to display the word and meaning for the words that is there in the dictionary. And finally we have the function number 5, which is used to search and display the words by the number of letters. So now let's create the function number 1. The function 1, which is used to display the words that begin with a specific letter. Def display, function name is display, letter equal to input, enter the letter which you want to begin the words, right? For I in count, if I starts with letter, I want to print the I. Now calling the display function. Enter the letter which you want to begin the words. Here I'm entering T. Yeah, you can see I got all the words which begins with the T. The function 1 is completed. Now we have to create the function number 2. The function number 2 is find a specific word, it is there in the dictionary or not. Def find word is my function name. Word equal to input, enter the word you want to find. I'm converting this input to the lowercase. Firstly I want to give found equal to false, right? For I in count, if I equals to the what we are giving, it has to give found equal to true. Now if found equals to false, I want to print word is not in the dictionary, right? Else print it is there in the dictionary. Yeah, here you can see first I'm taking the input and I'm converting the input to the lowercase, because if suppose I'm giving PO, W, E and R, you can see this word is not present because I have the W is capital, so that's why I'm converting it into the lowercase. You can see here first I'm taking the found is false. If the word matches, I want to give found equal to true, otherwise false. Now we have to call our function find word. Yeah, enter the word you want to find. I want to find walk. Yeah, it is there in the dictionary. You can see here I'm giving the capital case and the lowercase, W, A, L and K. It is also there because you can see I'm converting into the lowercase. But now W, A, L, K, yeah, the word is not there in the dictionary because it contains the smaller case and the capital case. That's why we have to give the lowercase. Word is not there in the dictionary. Talk, it is there in the dictionary. So the function 2 also completed. Now we have to create function number 3, display the meaning of the word, right? Def display is my function name, word equal to input, enter the word you want to find the meaning of. Firstly I'm taking found equal to false. For key comma value in con dot items, if key equals to word, I want to give found equal to true and print word has the meaning of then value, otherwise if found equals to false, I want to print no such word exists. Now let's call the function display. I have to change the function name, display meaning. Here also display meaning. Yeah. Enter the word you want to find the meaning of. Walk. Yeah, you can see it is giving complete meaning for the walk, right? Power. It is giving the meaning of power. Now you can see we have completed the meaning of the word. So guys, for the input you have to give the lower. You can see here this data has dictionary values, the keys and values. So here I'm giving for key comma value in counted items, if key equals to the word we are giving, found equals to true. You can see here I'm printing the word as meaning of value. If found equals to false, no such word exists. And finally we are calling the function. Now I want to give some random word. You can see no such word exists. So guys, I want to make a small change in the function 4. I want to display the word meanings for the specific word that is there in the meaning. So now let's create the function def display word meaning. Word equals to input, enter the word you want to find the meaning of the word that is there in the meaning. Convert to lowercase. found equal to false for key comma value in count dot items if key equals to word or word in the value. I want to make found equal to true and then print word and meaning here give value, right? If found equals to false, I want to print no such word exists. Now I want to call the function, display the word meaning. Here I'm giving walk. Yeah, you can see it is giving the meaning. You can see here the walk is available in the value also, so that's why it is giving the meaning and the word. Now we have to write the code for the final function. Search and display the words by the number of letters. Def display word by num letters is my function name. Num equal to int of input. Enter the number to find the meaning of it. Found equal to false for I in count if length of I equals to num. I want to print I and then found equal to true. Yeah, otherwise if found equal to false, print no word is exist, right? Now calling the function, enter the number to find the meaning of it. I'm giving 4. You can see it is giving all the words which is the length of 4 letters. Yeah, it has 4 letters, it has 4 letters. So guys, you can see here we have completed building all the 5 functions. If the num equals to the length of the word which is available in the dictionary, I want to print the words. Now building the project, right? I want to combine all the code into the single code. First I want to copy this. Now the 5 functions. Function 1, function 2, now function 3, now function 4, finally function 5. Now I want to build one while loop. While true, try here I'm taking multi-line function, word dictionary. Dictionary. I want to copy this function names. And also I want to give option 6 exit. Here write a line, enter the options in between 1 to 6. I want to create one variable, choice equal to int of input. Just copy this line, paste here, right? Enter the options in between 1 to 6. If choice equals to 1, the function number 1, which is display. If choice equals to 2, I want to print function number 2, find word. If choice equals to 3, function number 3, display meaning. If choice equals to 4, function number 4, display word and meaning. If choice equals to 5, display word by number letters. If choice equals to 6, I want to break the loop, right? Else enter the word in between 1 to 6. This except is for the exception. Print invalid input. So now let's run this code. Enter the option in between 1 to 6. Here I want to enter 1. Enter the letter which you want to begin the word. I'm entering R. Yeah, you can see it is giving all the words which begin with the R. Now I want to enter 2. Yeah, enter the word you want to find. Tech. Word is not there in the dictionary. Now I want to check for the 3. Enter the word you want to find the meaning. I want to enter Python. You can see it is giving the meaning of the word. Now, so guys, we have completed our project number 3, word dictionary. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me some support. I will give link for this code in the description. So go and check it out.